Hi everybody, my name's Ed Morris and I'm Technical Manager for Altecnic. Now before we start this video, make sure that you hit subscribe so you get notified to any new content that we upload to our YouTube page. That can include product videos, fault finding, webinars and podcasts. We've got loads of content to share. Now what we're going to focus on today is insulation of our 108 series antifreeze valve. Now as you know, these are designed to work on heat pump systems and there's a lot of talk at the moment about how we insulate these correctly, and I want to make sure that you fit in these, you insulate the right way and make sure it has a carefree life. So we insulate it in the way that we do for a number of reasons. First of all, we have what we call the anti-vac valve on the top. That needs to be able to draw air into the system should there be a failure. So we cannot have any obstructions that sit around the top of there, so no insulation can sit there. Secondly, we've got the temperature sensing port. Although we're sensing the internal temperature, this port also cannot be insulated. We need to make sure the water can discharge without issue, but we need to make sure it remains cold, so do not add any insulation around here either. Now the big question is around the body. How do you insulate the body, or can you not insulate the body? And we say no, we don't recommend, or we say you don't insulate the body. And I'll tell you the reason why. This is installed as a system as antifreeze or a freeze protection device. Now we need this, should there be a failure, to be the coldest part of the system. Now if we were to add insulation to the complete body, it no longer becomes that coldest part, and other areas of the system such as the heat pump, the heat exchanger for example, that then comes the really coldest part of the system. We start to see heat exchangers cracking, we can see pipes popping out because of that expansion, because of that freezing. So we need to ensure that this is the coldest part of the system, and that is why we say you do not insulate any of the body. Make sure it remains the coldest part and make sure this valve can operate without any issues. Now if you want any more information on any of our products, please head over to our website, which is www.altecnic.co.uk.